Let's find our pulse, pulse the hip until we find our rhythm. When you're at home, always remember to push down your shoulders just a bit. Push it down just a hair. Very good. Drop it into sync. And let's begin with our thought. Down, lift, together. Down, lift, together. Notice I'm moving a lot more slowly. And down, lift, together, and down, lift, together, and down, lift, together, and just slight pause. Down, lift, together. Let's begin. Separate the legs. Get nice and strong for me. Extend. What an amazing movement that is in the body. You're feeling that with me. Change sides. Scoop under, reach up, extend forward. I'd like your hands to go slightly under your chin. Look up, throw the head back just a bit. Reach through the fingers. One more time. Reach it up. Let's continue on with the thought action. Down, pick it up. Down, and then a little bend. So we're going to go to my voice. The music is merely for inspiration. Bend it. Lift it. If you need to decrease intensity, feel free to take a wider stance and continue your lifting process. To increase intensity, as Miss Carolyn is doing right now, bring your feet together. Separate. I want you to grow with the movement. Push down. Reach. Drop your shoulders. Lift. Fabulous motion, Patrick. Switch. Opposite arm. Reach it up and down. Always stop slightly under your chin. Smile just a touch for me. Chin up. Nice neckline. Beautiful. There are muscles in your neck that have to be utilized. Bring your legs together. Let's go to thought. Down. Lift it up and across. This is a superior movement to just a leg extension or a thought curl because we're adding extra degrees of angle and range of motion. So you're not only feeling this in the thought, but you're also feeling this in the core. Every time we go more extreme with the balance postures, your back and your tummy areas will tighten. Let's begin with our expansion. Reach for the stars. Take it up. Slowly bring it into your core. Add a little bit of a hip rotation. And up. Release it. Beautiful, Miss Carolyn. Down. Lift. Now remember, anytime that you'd like to decrease, I'm going to change. I'm just going to take it here. And the motion for me and in my body goes with my own personal ability. Let's take it to our thought. Ready? Here we go. Down. Pick it up and across. Really focus on the down movement. Take it into the heels of your feet.